Hey guys, this is Sasha the Guy, and today I wanted to show you how to use tinybio to run research applications through chat. Now, what we're going to be doing in this tutorial today is we're going to be building a sample distances heat map on our bulk RNAseq data that comes preloaded on your tutorial data sets in your cloud storage. If you don't have your cloud storage enabled, you can just click there'll be a big button in your chat interface that says try out cloud storage, and it'll initiate with these data sets in there. So you'll see here that we have our data set object here. So in order to get started, all we'll have to do is just do this. Please generate a sample distances heat map based on the bulk RNAseq data set. So what is going to happen now is that tinybio is going to take in that request and create a game plan of what it wants to do. And so in here, it's going to load the RNAseq dataset. It's going to perform the pre-processing, calculate the distances, and generate a heat map based on these distances. Now, the way that it works with the data is that it actually uses large language models to write R code in this instance. We support both R and Python code in order to actually perform the operations that it wants to do. And so in this use case, it looks like it wrote some code, it loaded in our data object, and now it's ready to, it actually ran that code, and now it's ready to normalize, do the distance calculation, and finally generate our heat map. And so all of this is being done all through chat, right? And it's all, the applications that we support are primarily in the life sciences field right now. So it's applications like Seurat, TEC, Cluster Profiler, ScanPy, GFF Reader, SAM Tools, Multi-QC, all of your typical applications that you would want as a life science researcher to run in order to kind of understand your data a little bit better. And so right now what it's doing is that it's actually writing these scripts and running the code. Looks like it's generated some images, and it's going to generate our image for us here. Right. Oh, so this is the code that it ran. It looks like we have some sample distances here. And yeah, so that's all you have to do in order to run to get heat sample distances heat maps, get a nice dendrogram for what you're looking for based on kind of just using our chat application. Now we support many other applications, and you can see them by going to our README and seeing all the applications that we work with. Thank you. Bye-bye.